So what's the next bit of this funding contract that we want to do? Well, when people actually send money to this contract, we want to keep track of all the people who send us money. So let's create some data structures to keep track. Let's create an array of addresses called funders, and we'll keep adding all the funders who send money to us. So we'll say an address array or an address list. We'll make it public, funders. And anytime somebody sends us money, and this actually does indeed go through, we'll add that funder to the list. So we'll say funders.push message.sender. Like message.value, message.sender is an always available global keyword. Message.value stands for how much Ethereum or how much native blockchain currency is sent. Message.sender is the address of whoever calls the fund function. So if we're on Rinkeby, message.sender is going to be equal to whatever address is calling that function. Since our address is sending the Ether, we're going to add our address to this funders list. This way we can keep track of all the wonderful donators who are donating to our contract. Then maybe we want to even make a mapping of addresses to UN256s of addresses to how much money each one of these people have actually sent. So we'll do address to UN256, public, address to amount funded. And when somebody funds our contract, we'll say address to amount funded of message.sender equals message.value. Now we have a function where people can fund our contract and we can set a value in terms of USD, and we keep track of the different funders who actually fund our contract. This is fantastic.